Hi, Ilya here. So we will be talking about the top 100 use cases lecture. Here it is, top 100 use cases for ChatGPT. This is the main lecture for today that I'll be creating. It's going to be a very big one. It's 100 use cases, right? So it was supposed to be 10. But then how do you choose only 10? There are hundreds of things you can say. So what I've decided to do is 10 categories of 10 each. And the lecture will go through all of them, and maybe there will be examples, maybe not. We'll see in the video itself. But I still want to create this as a resource that I can share. I can share on LinkedIn. I can share on as a PDF file. Anybody can, just download this and use it. Now, how do I turn this list into something useful? Well, I have started using ChatGPT to do it, and I've reached a point where I can involve you in the conversation, right? So first of all, let's see how it sounds. There are thousands of ways. Now I'll leave it like this. Thousands of ways in which ChatGPT can help you out. In this video, we'll see 100 of them. 10 categories with 10 use cases each. The general rule is ChatGPT can help with tasks that have been done a million times before. Okay. Need something unique? Use your own brain. Okay, this is kind of the rule. I'll put it like this. I don't like the bold. Okay. The general rule is ChatGPT can help with tasks that have been done a million times before. Need something unique? Use your own brain. Let's go. Okay, this is how the lecture starts. I have this intro. The intro will be 50 words, that's like 20 seconds, that's fine. And then I will jump into the first use case. Now, this will also be a PDF, right? So I have to be mindful of the formatting and everything, but let's see for the video. Marketing. 1. Content creation. ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can create ChatGPT is a flexible tool that can create a wide range of content, reducing the time you spend on content production. Now, this sentence is hard to read, right? So I have to cut it here. ChatGPT is a flexible tool that can create all types of content. Now, by the way, I've created this with ChatGPT, and now I'm just working on it. Now, the point of this lecture would be to finish, to make this very, very lean, very polished, so that I can later feed it to ChatGPT. And I will now stop recording, and I'll come back to it once I'm ready. Okay, so here's what I've done. I've gone through the marketing use cases, and I have created something I like, right? I can go through it, I guess. Okay, it's gonna sound like this. 1. Content creation. ChatGPT is a flexible tool that can create all types of content. It can drastically reduce the time you spend on anything from blog posts to white papers. 2. Social media posts. Crafting engaging social media posts is less boring with ChatGPT. Don't expect the most original post ever, but expect to have it written in 10 seconds or less. No, I have to read this out loud so I know how it's gonna sound on video, and here I think it's gonna be better for the phrasing, right? Email campaigns. From planning the structure to writing the email content, ChatGPT can do it all. Creating an email campaign was the first thing I did with GPT-4. Trust me, the results are outstanding. Press releases. Need an experienced marketer with perfect command of English to write a clear and effective press release to communicate your company news accurately. Oh, this is so long. To write need an experienced marketer to write an effective press release to communicate your company's news. Okay, I'll keep it like this. Need an experienced marketer to write a press release to communicate your company news. Search no more. ChatGPT has seen every press release ever and can generate new ones. Very well. Now I don't like this that this is on 3 lines because everything else is not. Even looking for someone, okay, to write a press release. Yeah, the thing is, I like the other one better, but they have to be shorter. Search no more. ChatGPT has seen every press release ever and can generate new ones very well. 5. Product descriptions. Writing detailed product descriptions is necessary to educate your clients, make your product stand out, and highlight the right features. But who likes to write them anyways? ChatGPT. Reports. Focus on the numbers you need to report. ChatGPT will then draft and structure your insights. Now, this is a bit shorter than the others, but yeah, we'll have to live with it. Copywriting. Copywriting is mainly rephrasing. ChatGPT is practically rephrasing. ChatGPT is a master rephraser. You just need to tune it to sell products, and sell it will. Ads preparation. Successful ad campaigns are more than just selecting appealing visuals. They involve precise targeting, meticulous setup, okay, I'll keep it like this. Whoever knows ads knows, they involve perfect phrasing, precise targeting, and great. They involved phrasing, precise targeting, and perfect setup. Areas where ChatGPT excels. They involve great phrasing, precise targeting, not extraordinary, but amazing. Okay. They involve amazing phrasing, precise targeting, and perfect technical setup. All areas where ChatGPT excels. Survey design. Need to ask questions to your audience? ChatGPT has seen every questionnaire has seen almost every questionnaire created so far and can easily help you draft your own survey. 10. Idea generation. Brainstorming happens when two or more people sit together to generate ideas. ChatGPT can always be this second person for you. And it never runs out of ideas. Okay. That's it for the marketing use cases. Not enough? You can take this list, feed it to ChatGPT, and ask it to provide more examples like this. And here I will show the prompt that I have used. Where is this prompt? Oh. I've created here top 100 use cases readings. Top 500 use cases. This is how I'll call it, because there are probably about 50 in each conversation. I don't know, about 500 use cases that are written there. There are many more, of course, they're endless. Okay. What did I want to do? Yeah, I wanted to see this and see the prompt that I'll be providing. I'm creating a resource, blah, blah, blah. Please continue this list. Yeah. In the video, I will say check out the list with more marketing use cases. In the PDF, I'll leave it as is. Okay. So I have done everything I could on marketing. I have created something that I'm proud of, and I really like how much 2 minutes gonna be a 20-minute video. Wow, it's gonna be a lot. Someone has to edit this and edit it well. Anyways, so what did I want to show you in this video? I wanted to show you that once I'm done with this, I will simply open the lecture that I'm already working on. It's over here, and or even create a new one. I'll create a new chat and I'll start from the very beginning. I'll start and this is how I do the prompt. I'm building the course. I'm working on this lecture. And I'll copy everything, right? Okay, no, I have to, sorry, I have to delete these. They're left from in marketing. I'll delete them, and yeah, I'll delete everything which is not relevant. Okay. I have to start over just to make sure. Okay, I start with my favorite. Whoop. Okay. Here's the lecture. Okay. I want to use this structure for all of the categories. Okay. From here on, we will start working on each category separately. Ready? Okay, so what have I done? I have provided all this context. I'm building the course. Here's the lecture. I provide the lecture. And now I have provided the desired structure. This is the output format, as we have talked about many times. Oh, it is just starting. Okay, it is just starting. Let's see. Coding. Writing code. ChatGPT can assist in writing code by generating snippets, suggesting improvements, or even completing sections of code. This allows developers to write more. Okay, this is good. This is good stuff. Now, one of the important things that we needed to reach here was we needed to this output format that I have provided. It has given structure. It has provided, you know, the tone of voice. It has provided how I want to sound, how long it is, and a bunch of other stuff. So it looks retarded in the beginning to just copy paste this, but this is how we provide the context the proper way. Okay, I'll also regenerate the response once, because we have, oh, they're a bit far away, but wow, it's very close. Anyways, this is very helpful to have more than one variation. That's why we regenerate. But wait, but I'll delete it. Here the problem is it just used the master, yeah, the first prompt again. Can you provide another variation for coding? I'll just do it like this. Okay. And now the thing is, it is starting to make stuff up, right? I wanted it to talk about this, but it's talking about whatever it wants. Now why? Oh shit, I haven't completed this. Okay, give me a sec. Okay. So I have picked some of my favorite ones from here. I had a couple of them before that, but I just realized I haven't put all of them. Now I have to give the 10 most common use cases, right? And I'm just going through them. And I know very well that, for instance, it is amazing for doing migrations and working with databases as a whole, working with regex. It's absolutely incredible for regex. And I cannot say all of these things, so I have to pick some of them, and I have to hope people are seeing. Okay. Code completion, code refactor. Which one can I remove and add regex? I want to keep these. You know what? Okay, now I'll take all of these and I will go finally 20th minute of this video. Sorry guys, but it's not as easy as it seems. I'll give the list. Here's the list. Now I put it in here and I don't like it anymore. No, I'll remove the regex. I can manually add it, but the moment I give it instructions about the regex and it starts, you know, it's very bad. It just assumes I just want to talk about regex, and this is not what we want to do. So in this case, giving less details is better. Otherwise, it overfits. It's called overfitting in machine learning. It thinks you really want to talk about regex, and it starts. Okay, so whatever this is, it starts well. ChatGPT can assist in generating code snippets based on your descriptions. This is great for quick creating boilerplate code. Save. Okay, I like how you have phrased this, and I will. Okay, I have to copy this structure here. Not easy. It's not easy to make good stuff. Writing code. Number 2, debugging. Okay, and for writing code we had ChatGPT. Okay, how does it sound now? ChatGPT can assist in generating code snippets based on your prompts, based on your requirements. This is great for quickly creating boilerplate code, saving you time and effort. Great. And then you go and you change whatever you want. Okay, facing a tough bug. By the way, look at this result. How much better is this result? Because it told me that the thing that I provided to it, all of this text, it's various. It sometimes starts with a question, sometimes it doesn't. It is very, very, nice. That's why it's so important to have one of these ready so it knows very well what I'm trying to achieve, right? I need to make one and I need to really, really like it before I start feeding to ChatGPT. Okay, facing a tough bug, ChatGPT can suggest potential solutions. It can assist in identifying the cause of the bug or offer, it can, ChatGPT can assist in identifying the cause and offer steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. And now I'll use my human brain to add something to it. Stack Overflow has seen 50% decrease in traffic since ChatGPT came along. Okay, and I want to make this 2 lines. Facing a tough bug, ChatGPT can help identify the cause and even troubleshoot the issue. In fact, Stack Overflow has seen 50% decrease in traffic since ChatGPT came along. This is true statement, and all the developers were going to Stack Overflow before, and now 50% of them are going to ChatGPT. And many developers are saying, "Oh, ChatGPT is not useful for my work," and then 50% of those who are going to Stack Overflow are now not going there. Of course. Anyways, 3, code completion. Let's see, what do you have? Okay, I wanna prepare this. Code completion, code refactoring, documentation, code explanation, testing. What? Okay, I've prepared this. Done. Okay, and I'm ready to copy paste some ChatGPT generated stuff. ChatGPT can auto complete your code. It can predict. Oh yes, it can auto complete your code. It can predict what you're trying to type based on the context, helping if you provide it, helping Okay, and here I will say code completion products are already entering the coding environments. Here the thing is, Visual Studio and all of these, where people code, they IDs are already entering IDs and code editors. I'll stop here. LLM based completion products are already entering code editors, IDs. I'll leave it like this and they will know. Okay, this is it. So you see how I'm creating this. So I'm still spending a minute or two on each one of these because I want this to be exceptional. But even if I don't do it like this, it's gonna be good enough. ChatGPT code refactoring. ChatGPT can provide recommendations on making your code cleaner and more efficient. It can help identify areas for improvement and suggest alternative methods or structures. Cool. ChatGPT can assist. Okay, I don't like this. I will generate the response. I want the documentation to be something along the lines of documentation is boring. Everybody hates documentation, and now you don't have to do it anymore. Generate comments. Okay. Okay, I'll take this and I'll say use this and add the idea that no one likes document. Only 2 sentences. What the fuck? How did it become so big? Okay, let's face it. Document code isn't okay. Nobody enjoys documenting code, but it's an essential part. So I like the first part from here. And then I want document, but I want to document APIs. ChatGPT can help you document your code or APIs. It can generate comments. Okay. Okay. ChatGPT can generate comments, prepare explanational notes, user manuals, release notes, and many more. I'll stop here. Nobody enjoys the tedious task. Okay, code explanation. What's the next one? Leverage ChatGPT to understand complex code blocks. Feed it with a function or method and it can break down its purpose and functionality, making it a valuable tool for both. Okay. What's the other one? Not sure what a particular piece of code is doing. ChatGPT can break it down. Okay. Okay. I'm sold. Manual and automated testing. ChatGPT can assist in creating test cases for both manual and automated testing by providing input and expected output. Okay, I'll stop here. This is good. It starts very well. Okay, manual testing. ChatGPT can help write test cases, trigger, and interpret. Okay. Okay. What's the next one? API design. I stopped it here. That was stupid. Give me 8, 9, and 10. Shorter and less adjectives. It's very quick. ChatGPT is very quick to forget how I want it to reply. Okay. API design can generate endpoint structures and even assist in defining error responses. I like this. Can generate endpoint structures, suggest relevant HTTP methods, and even assist in defining error responses. Great. Task estimation and management. Determining the time and resources necessary for a coding task can sometimes be challenging. Where is this? Can assist in estimating the time. Okay, I'll start with estimating the time to complete a task is always hard. ChatGPT can assist. By recognizing patterns in similar tasks, ChatGPT can help you manage your dev time better. Okay, great. And finally, software requirements. ChatGPT can help generate software requirement specifications. No shit. Okay. It can assist in translating user needs into clear, detailed technical requirements. Like any other communication issue, ChatGPT can also help with this. It can translate user needs into clear, detailed technical requirements for often ready for software development. Okay, so I have done this, I have created this, and I'm ready to review it. Now, what did we do? Let's recap. We took the format we liked. We had the bullet points already, and it helped us write the text for the bullet points. Do you know how much time it would take me to find this information, Google it, come up with it in such a short and succinct way? You know, I'm spending two sentences per point, and I'm explaining the point extremely well. You know, I'm so good at explaining these points because ChatGPT is phrasing them well, right? Anyways, writing code. I'll go through it. Number 2, coding. First, writing code. ChatGPT can assist in generating code snippets based on your requirements. This is great for quickly creating boilerplate code, saving you time and effort. 2, debugging. Facing a tough bug, ChatGPT can help identify the cause and even troubleshoot the issue. In fact, Stack Overflow has seen 50% decrease in traffic since ChatGPT came along. Okay. It is so good that Stack Overflow. Okay. Okay. 2, 3. Code completion. ChatGPT can auto-complete your code. It can predict what you're trying to type based on the context. I'll change this to LLMs because this will enter, code completion will enter IDEs without ChatGPT entering it. So LLMs can auto-complete your code. It can predict they can predict what you're trying to type based on the context if you provide it well. LLM-based code completion products are already entering IDs. 4. Code refactoring. ChatGPT can provide recommendations on making your code cleaner and more efficient. It can help identify Да. Delivery. Okay. Okay. Code completion. LLMs can auto-complete your code. They can predict what you're trying to type based on the context if you provide it well. LLM-based code completion products are already entering IDs. Code refactoring. ChatGPT can provide recommendations on making your code cleaner. It can identify general areas for improvement and suggest alternative methods or documentation. Nobody enjoys the tedious task of documenting code or APIs. ChatGPT can generate comments, prepare explanation notes, user manuals, release notes, and many more. Code explanation. Not sure what a particular piece of code is doing, ChatGPT can break it down and explain it in a way that's easier to understand. 7. Manual and automated testing. ChatGPT can assist in creating test cases for both manual and automated testing. It can assist in writing I already said this. Yeah, okay. This is said twice. I'm too lazy to rephrase. Simpler. It cannot run automated tests. It cannot. Writing. Can assist in writing test cases. Okay. Certainly, it can help write the automated tests themselves. It's amazing at writing unit tests and can help interpret the results. Okay, ChatGPT can assist in creating test cases for both manual and automated testing. It is particularly good at writing unit tests and can help interpret testing results. 8. API design. ChatGPT can help design APIs. It can generate endpoint structures, suggest relevant HTTP methods, and even assist in defining error responses. Number 9, task estimation and management. Estimating the time to complete a task is always hard. By recognizing patterns in similar tasks, ChatGPT can help you better manage your dev time. Better. Okay. Software requirement specification. Like any other communication issue, ChatGPT can also help with this. It can translate user needs into clear, detailed technical requirements, often ready for software development. Okay, so this is the second one. In this lecture we did from marketing, we turn it into coding. Again, I'm saying I'm overdoing this because I want it to be perfect, right, from my point of view. But you can simply use the ChatGPT output and it will be good enough. Okay, thanks and bye.